Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
अगर किसी का बच्चा होता है एंड व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड दैट ओ यू हैड a normal birth or a C-section, sometimes it is a very private question.
Right.
You know why? Because a lot of women are ending up having traumatic births. You know, where they don't know कि मेरे शरीर के साथ क्या हो रहा है, and then they go into this rigmarole of sudden changes happening अचानक से, and you know, maybe they plan a normal, they want to have a normal birth, but they end up having a C-section because they're not aware of what is happening.
Okay.
Education is the key point. आप फ्रिज खरीदने जाते हैं तो आप रिसर्च करते हैं विच इज़ द बेस्ट वन, विच क्वालिटीज डज इट हैव, यू बाय अ कार, यू चेक आउट thousands of them, you know. So same energy, if you can apply for childbirth, it is very important. You don't need to do too much. There are courses available for 3,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, and your shoes are more expensive than that.
True.
You are watching Netflix series, you are investing more time into that. So childbirth education is really important. It is something that will empower you with all of the knowledge कि आपके शरीर के साथ क्या हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
Because this whole labor जो बोलते हैं, I don't like to use that word.
Right.
Because sounds painful. Actually, the thing is that medical media and movies have made it sound like a very painful process. That's something that you can't do. But ऐसी बात नहीं है. Nature has given us all the shakti to have a beautiful and a divine birth, you know.
Okay.
And how the first step is educating yourself ki what is going to happen to my body in those 6 hours or 8 hours or say 2-3 days nearing you know, the day when your baby is born. So education is really important, not just for the woman but for the man as well, because during labor there are phases where a woman can't advocate for herself. You are way up high, rushed into oxytocin and other hormones that you will not be able to tell you will not be able to tell, you know, the medical system around you कि आपको क्या चाहिए. So it is very important for you to know कि okay, this is my first stage of labor. There will be a lot of oxytocin release in my body, and it is very easy. You can do your movements, you can dance to your playlist if you create. One thing we need to understand that जिस माहौल में आप बच्चा बनाते हैं, where the sexual intercourse happens, is a very intimate mahal, right?
Right.
If you can give birth also in with the same set and setting and intention in mind, it will be very pure and divine. You know, we are the only mammals who are birthing in such stressful conditions. So if you can, you know, have your birth plan, and this birth plan and other things only comes from childbirth. जब आपको पता रहेगा कि आपके साथ क्या होने वाला है जी, तभी आप informed choices ले सकते हैं. So education is really, really important. Understanding how the hormones are going to, you know, play with your body, and in fact not play but support you in natural childbirth.
जी.
And then if you आपको लगता है कि आप नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आप okay, then you choose for other alternative and options. But childbirth education is really important because it just doesn't talk about the physiology or the science of birth. It also empowers you with tools like breathing, visualization. That's what I teach, and you know, I empower women with that. If you train your subconscious mind, you will have a natural birth, you know, because you have told your mind that this is I want, and then your body and your mind then start supporting your you know, डिसीजन जो आपने संकल्प ले लिया है जी, उसका फिर पूरा यूनिवर्स फिर आपको उसी का साथ देगा. बट विदाउट एजुकेशन देन चाइल्ड बर्थ इज लाइक अ जेंगा, एक निकाला और सब नीचे गिर गया टाइप वाला सिचुएशन होता है, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल प्ले ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स. इफ यू एट एनी पॉइंट आर स्ट्रेस्ड, then your body knows that you are not safe or ready to give birth naturally, and that's when, you know, intervention starts happening and things like that. But yeah, if you need to have an empowered childbirth, you need to empower yourself with education and training for a natural childbirth.